Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Xiaomi Mi TWS Pro 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues. At first you have to open Settings app and go into Bluetooth. Now you have to turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on. If it doesn't work for you, you have to do a hard reset of your device. To do this, you have to close the case, open it back, and hold your finger on this button for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we can leave our headphones like that, and now they should work. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.